Hello, good morning friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. So friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to create Linux virtual machine in Microsoft Azure. Friends, as you know that Microsoft Cloud Platform is a completely free for our lab assessment, or it's provide us $200 free for 12 months. So so friends, to create Linux virtual machine, first of all you can see we are on dashboard of your Azure portal. So you can see here is a virtual machine option. From here we can create Linux virtual machine. So first of all click on virtual machine. Now on the left side you can see click on add virtual machine. Now you are on create a virtual machine dashboard here. So on the basic tab, here is a multiple tab, basic tab. On the basic tab, if you have already created resource group, then you have to select it, otherwise you have to create a group from here. So I have already created group, resource group. So now you have to provide here virtual machine name. You have to select your region. So my region is Asia Pacific Central India. Now leave this option. Now you have to select image here, Ubuntu server, Linux server. This is Linux server. What specification will be your virtual machine? So you can select from here. So standard D2 2 core CPU, 7 GB memory. You can select here. If you want to select see all size here, click on that. For general purpose, I am selecting this one. So you can see this cost will be 2,300 per month. So you can provide authentication here, password. If you want to access public key or password, so I'm going to select my username, provide a username. You can give your username VM. Okay, provide password here. Now here you have to select port, allow selected port. You have to select here SSH or HTTP SSH. Click on next. Now on the disk option, which disk you want to use, standard HDD, standard HDD, premium HDD. So I'm selecting a standard HDD because its cost will be low. So leave it here default. Now on the networking, click on networking. So your internal subnet will be 10.0/24. Okay. So your public IP will be Linux VM IP. Now click on management. On management it's okay. If you want to auto shutdown, you can select here auto shutdown on which time it you have to provide time here. So on this time it will shut down automatic and save your cost. Now click on review and create. So you can see it will be its cost will be 3.2276 INR per hour. You have to review your configuration here, which configuration you have provided. Now click on create. After review, validation passed. So click on create here. and you can see deployment is in progress. Now friends, you can see here your deployment is completed. Now you can access your Linux virtual machine from with your public IP. Now click on home and go to your virtual machine. Click on virtual machine here. You will see your virtual machine. Here you can find all detail of your virtual machine. It's Linux Ubuntu standard B2S 4 GB memory. Your public IP. With this IP you can access. And this is a public IP. You can see this is a public IP of your Linux VM here. 52.172.195.88. This is public. From this IP you can access your Linux virtual machine from outside network, from public with this public IP on your Windows PC or any other PC. So you can see this is my PC. So I will access my Linux virtual machine with SSH username Linux VM and IP address 52.172.195.88. Now provide password here. So friends, you have seen that you have accessed your Linux virtual machine which is deployed on Azure portal. So ls-l. Now you can work on your Linux server. So friends, you have seen in this video how to create Linux virtual machine on Azure portal. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.